I'm talking about William.
Honey, land it on the fireplace.
Yeah, right on the edge, dude.
Land on the horse.
Yeah! Look at that. Where's the round of applause? Hey, can you do a reverse takeoff, dude? Like
I'm too busy videoing him.
Just like that?
Yeah, you better do something impressive.
Yeah, do something crazy. Backflips. I'll land it on your nuts.
Here, William, go like this and he'll have to go through your arms.
Oh, I can do that. But you can't move. No, you can't. He's not big enough arms though.
Oh, Kevin, you do it.
You do it.
Stand up.
Yeah, anyways.
No, Kevin.
Take your hat off.
Wait, is this big?
Yes, take your hat off though. Take off your hat.
That thing won't slice my arm, will it?
No, it's not gonna slice your arm. As long as you don't move.
We can fix you intravenously. Come over here.
We'll fix it if he does.
No, face me there.
There you go. All right, go.
Okay, ready? We're good.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Fuck, man. Don't move.
Ah.
Don't move.
Just back up a little. Get like a running start. Oh. What? Kevin, you need a running start.
Wait, do this, go.
Well, that's no fun. It's funner if you go through his arms.
Dude, you're about to hit me in the face. I want you. You gotta have faith. Don't touch. You gotta have faith.
Back up, Kevin.
Come on, you man or mouse. Put your head down. See if I can get more clearance that way. Put your head down.
Hold your breath. No, he wants to see.
Yeah, I can do that. That's easy. Okay, ready?
Go through his leg. Oh shoot! They're not his head.
Close your eyes.
No, bro. Got it.
He's gonna get it.
That's it right there. That's
Here, land on his head.
Land on top of my head, dude.
Oh yeah, right. You won't even let him near you.
I got your hand.
Well, aren't you supposed to land it on his hand?
I think you're drunk.
He caught it.
He caught it. You didn't land it.
You didn't catch it like a fly. I landed in his eye.